Hello, my friends. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen. My name is Ellen. It is time for the big game, the Super Bowl. Congratulations to the Kansas City Chiefs and the Philadelphia Eagles. It's going to be a great game. Who y'all rooting for? Let me know down below in the comment section. Well, I've got a great dip recipe that your guest is going to love at the Super Bowl party, and it is a Southern classic. We're going to make Vidalia Onion Dip. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it's going to be full of sweet onions and cheese. Everybody's going to love and enjoy this. So satisfying, and your guests will be going back for seconds. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, Glazed Blueberry Biscuits. I'll post the link to that down below in the description box. So grab your baking pan, your Vidalia onions, and get your cheese grated sugar, because we're about to bake some Vidalia onion dip magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go! Alright, my friends, the first thing we're going to do is prep our onions. On my cutting board, I have 2 Vidalia onions and a bunch of green onions. First, let's get started with the Vidalia onions. We're going to chop them up. And Vidalia onions are naturally sweet. Now we're going to chop up the green onions. We need the white and the green parts. Alrighty, I am through dicing my Vidalia onions and green onions. For the green onions, we need 1/4 of a cup, and the rest we're going to use for garnish later. Now we're going to set these aside while we work on the cheeses. For this recipe, we're going to use 2 kinds of cheeses, Colby-Jack and American cheese. I have a 1 8-ounce block of Colby-Jack cheese and 3 slices of American cheese. And I always say in my recipes that call for cheese, grate it yourself. It melts better and it don't have any fillers. And for the American cheese, you can buy the block, but I'm just going to use the slices because that's all I have. So we're going to dice the American cheese into cubes. Just like that. That looks great. Now we're going to grate the Colby-Jack cheese. Alright, my friends, the cheeses are done. Now we are ready to make the dip. In my large bowl, we're going to add in our chopped Vidalia onions and 1/4 of a cup of chopped green onions. And into our onions, we're going to add in 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise. I have a 1/2 a cup, and 1/4 of a cup makes 3/4 of a cup. And make sure you use real mayonnaise. And last but not least, going to add in our shredded Colby-Jack cheese and our diced American cheese. That's a 1/2 a cup. Give it a quick stir until it's well combined. And the best part about this dip, no seasoning required. Alright, my friends, I am through stirring my filling. How simple and easy was that? Now we are ready to pour it into our baking dish. We're going to pour it in a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, or you can use a 1-quart casserole dish, and we're going to spray it with cooking spray. Going to spread it evenly. Okie dokie, now we are ready to put this in the oven. Oven's preheated to 375 degrees. Going to let it bake for 25 minutes until the cheese is bubbly and melted. And I'll bring you back. All right, my friends, I have taken my dip out of the oven. And it smells heavenly up in this kitchen. The cheese is nice and melted. So now we are going to let it rest for 10 minutes. You don't want to dig in right away. And after it's rested, I'll pour it into my bowl and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I've got my dip right here and I'm serving it with some Ritz crackers, or you can serve it with saltine crackers. So now we're going to top it with the remaining green onions. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Vidalia Onion Dip. Don't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Please have a bite. Touchdown! I can taste both of the onions. They're perfectly cooked, sweet, tender, gooey, cheesy, and full of flavor. This Vidalia onion dip is fantastic, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Vidalia onion dip, licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love and happy Super Bowl.